Today for the recipe I will use this small bowl. This size is enough for me today. If you want big quantity, you can use also big cups like this one or medium cup like this. Just follow the ingredients. So we have here 4 cups of flour, 3 cups of water, 3 cups of milk and 2 cups of butter. For butter it's better to use it soft, don't use chilled one. And we have 4 pieces of egg. In case you change the cup size, use same cup to control eggs as I do. Milk, water, butter, one coffee spoon of salt, 2 coffee spoons sugar. I will heat the milk. Once the butter is melted, so you can add flour. Mix. Yeah, keep mixing. And there is also one observation. The fire must be very low, please, as you can. Butter is start to stick on pan, so that means the dough is cooked. So I can remove it. So just I show you how to know the dough is cooked or not yet. I will place the dough in basin. I will open the dough. Then I will leave it on the side to cool. Now we will make chocolate sauce, cream. You can use any kind of cream you have, cooking cream, whipping cream, whatever you have. Butter, 1 spoon of butter. We'll start by cream, chocolate, I will heat chocolate till boil. Now it starts to boil in, so I need to remove. This enough. Last step, we will add butter. The chocolate sauce is ready. After 20 minutes, the dough temperature reached to 20 degrees to 25 degrees. I will add egg gradually, one by one. Here I use 4 whole eggs. This enough. Then I will place the dough inside piping bag. Then I will start to form the cake as I want. You can also form a small cylinder. Oil. The temperature of oil must be very low. Then I will start to fry. I'm going to add some icing sugar. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and let me comment on the description. Thank you.